Have you been feeling constantly tired, gaining weight, not sleeping well, or just not feeling like yourself? It's not just aging, it's your hormones. Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, or BHRT, might be the solution to your problems. BHRT uses hormones that closely match what your body naturally produces to help restore balance. This can improve energy, sleep, mood, and overall quality of life. But it's important to remember that hormone therapy isn't one size fits all. We start with a comprehensive lab testing to understand exactly what your body needs, then create a personalized plan based on your symptoms and goals. There are several treatment options, including pellets, creams, and tablets, and the right choice depends on your lifestyle and preferences. The goal isn't just symptom relief, it's helping you feel like yourself again. If you've been struggling and not getting answers, this could be your next step. Schedule an appointment with our team at Vital Life Wellness Center to see if BHRT is right for you. Give us a call at 210-595-1019 or visit our website at vitallifewellness.org.